Hi, I'm Doris with the Xbox Ruler Template Company, and we're at the Fat Quarter Shop. And today we're going to show you how to use the basic template that will come in your October 2018 sampler box. And we're going to start out with a strip set. We've sewn 3 strips of a jelly roll together. We're going to line up the sewn line of your strip set with the solid line on your template. So we'll just line those up. We're going to cut around it with our rotary cutter. And it's helpful if you take and you rotate it so that you're not cutting across yourself. A rotating mat works great for that. Keep them lined up. Cut and cut. And we're just going to work our way down the strip set until we've got that whole strip set cut. And we're cutting with our template right side up. Make sure that it says basic and you can read it right side up. Cut. Cut. Okay, our second strip set is sewn with 2 darks and a light. And this time we're flipping the template upside down, and we're going to cut with the template upside down. So we'll flip it over. Those words basic should be backwards to you. We're going to line up the sewn lines with the solid lines on the template. Cut around it with our rotary cutter. And you have a block that looks like that. Make your way down your strip set and just cut all of those, the whole strip, with the template upside down. Our third strip set is 2 lights and a dark, and your template is right side up and not upside down. It's right side up. Again, cut around it with, line it up on the sewn lines with the solid lines. Cut around it with your rotary cutter. And you have a block that looks like that. So then your fourth strip set, we will sew 3 strips together. They will be 2 lights and a dark. Where our first strip was 2 darks and a light. And this time we're going to flip our template upside down. So first time we cut right side up. The second time we're just going to flip that template over and we're going to cut upside down. We're going to line up the lines of the template on the sewn lines of the strip set. Right here and right here. And we're just going to cut around it just like we did before with our rotary cutter. And there's our block. And we're just going to make our way down the strip set again, lining up, making sure our ruler is upside down, and cut around. Now if you notice, I have some little triangle pieces that are cut off. Don't throw those away. Those triangle pieces, you're going to save those, and those can be a bonus project or a pieced border for you. So don't throw them away. And they're mirror images of each other, but they look so very similar. Same way with 1 and 2. This is 1. And this is 2, and they're mirror images of each other. Now we have our pile of blocks. Some are right side up, some are upside down, and we're ready to create our quilt. So we're going to take a block, we're going to place them, just like this. And as you can see, we're starting to get a chevron or zigzag with our blocks. And just keep working until you've got all your blocks laid out and you have a quilt. This is the quilt that we made. It's really cool how it makes a secondary design. You've got the chevron going here, but you also have diamonds going here.